In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with tables. Create, style, import in InCopy. We'll create tables from scratch, turn existing text into a table, edit content, apply consistent styles, and import tables from Word or Excel. Start in the right workspace. Tables appear only in Layout view in InCopy. If you don't see them, switch by going to Window, View, Layout. That way, every change is visible on the page. To create a new table, place your text cursor where the table should go. Then open the Table menu and choose Insert Table. Enter the number of rows and columns. If you need repeating headings, add optional header or footer rows. Click OK. InCopy inserts a table that fills the width of the text frame so it aligns neatly with your layout. To convert plain text into a table, first prepare the text so tabs separate columns and paragraph returns separate rows. Select the text with the Type tool, go to Table, and choose Convert Text to Table. Pick the correct separators, tab, comma, or paragraph, so content falls into the right cells. Then click OK. Your text is converted in place. Next, add and edit content. Click in any cell and type. Press Enter, or return to add a new paragraph inside the cell. Press Tab to move forward through cells. In the last cell of a row, Tab adds a new row automatically. Press Shift+Tab to move backward. You can place a graphic inside a cell as well. Put the cursor in the cell. Choose File, Place, select the image, and click Open. The cell expands in height to accommodate the image. For formatting, use Table Styles and Cell Styles. Open their panels via Window, Styles, then Table Styles or Cell Styles. From each panel menu, choose New Table Style or New Cell Style and define settings like borders, fills, and spacing. Select the table or specific cells, then click a style name to apply it. Table styles keep multiple tables consistent, while cell styles let you format particular cells, such as headers. To import existing tables with the most control, place the file. Choose File, Place, select a Word or Excel document, and enable Show Import options if prompted. Choose Formatted Table to keep the original appearance, Unformatted Table for structure only, or unformatted tabbed text if you plan to convert later inside InCopy. Formatted preserves the source look. Unformatted makes it easier to apply your InCopy styles. And that's the workflow for creating, editing, styling, and importing tables in InCopy.